Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for April 5th to the 17th. April 5th to the 9th, we're still expecting the same pattern we talked about yesterday. We have a trough here extending into the west over the Northeast Pacific, and we have a zone of flow with near to above normal heights across much of the nation. And the pattern will feature a steady progression of Pacific systems tracking into the west and continue onward to produce several episodes of active weather over the east central states. We're going to look now at the maps here. We expect periods of enhanced rain, high elevation snow from central and northern west coast into the northern Rockies. You can see we have a system here this is GFS bringing snow. You can see into the Rockies, some rain across the Central Plains. And then we go to Friday, we see another system starting to move inland with rain and snow. Then we have another one Saturday, and this one kind of moves into Canada, but still we have rain and snow, rain along the coast, snow further across the northern Rockies, mixed precipitation. And then we go to the 9th, and you can see another system moves in, kind of follows the same track into Canada and bringing more precipitation basically to the northwest. We'll have individual systems affecting the Pacific Northwest coast, may be accompanied by strong winds, and precipitation over the east, and maybe snow over northern New England should depart by Friday night. And we're going to look at that here. We're going to go back a little bit. Here's the system here. Here's snow moving into parts of the Northeast. And then we go into Saturday. We see rain and snow here. And then we go into Saturday. Then it moves out. From Friday night on, energy aloft will reach the southern plains along with strengthening Gulf flow will interact with stall boundary and will likely lead to heavier rain threat from the southern plains, lower Mississippi Valley, extending to the east and northeast. And you can see it right here. Whoops. And we see it right here. This is Saturday night. We'll go to Friday. Then we go to Saturday. This is GFS. You can see the areas of heavy rainfall, possible storms here. And then we go on where you can see the precipitation starts spreading to the east and northeast. Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday. Then we look at the European. It's kind of similar, less precipitation, except for when we get to Sunday 2 p.m. You can see we have rain and storms here. And then we go on where you can see the precipitation expanding. April 8th to the 12th. Stable patterns in place. Still have our trough here near to above normal heights with a zone of flow across this region. And we expect during this period to have above normal temperatures for much of the nation, and forecasted anomalies of 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and here. The probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And then we have below normal precipitation here. The probability of occurrence is 35%. Now, as we get into the later period, this is before April 13th to 17th. Most of the models have a trough in the west, ridge in the east. You can see it right here. Except for the European, where it has near to below normal heights across much of the nation. I think this solution might be right because during this period also, we see that the PNA is positive and the NAO trends negative. So this will allow for a trough in the east. Also, we have these strong posiheight anomalies here, but that's also shown in the rest of the models. But the European is especially strong for that. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the west. Forecast anomalies of 4 degrees above normal are forecast, and then below normal temperatures here, with anomalies of 4 degrees below normal are forecast. And for precipitation, forecasting above normal precipitation for a large portion of the nation, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for April 5th to 17th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.